So guys, I am giving her some moisture. So I can just get her ready for, of course, for her makeup. Then the CC serum, and of course it is vitamin C, which is so good for your skin.
I've been using vitamin C serum. I've also been using a retinol at night. I try never ever to sleep with makeup. That is
Very good, Roberta.
rule number one, which is sometimes you're tempted, you come home and you're tired, and it's like, I won't take the mascara off, I won't take the eyeliner. My eyes thank me, but I force myself. And of course I do use an oil-based makeup remover first, and then I cleanse it. Let's talk a little wellness and facial exercises. Here are 3 easy ones to try daily. Let's talk a little bit about wellness. Beauty's great, but let's talk about some facial exercises. Here are 3 ones that you can try daily that I personally like. The first one is for your cheeks. Smile wide, lift your cheeks towards your eyes, hold for 5 seconds, and repeat 10 times. The second one is jawline sculptor. Tilt your head back, move your jaw forward, and feel the stretch. You hold it for 5 seconds and repeat 7 to 10 times. See it from the side. You basically head back and extending your jaw. It may look a little strange, but it works. The third one is eye depuff press. A lot of times, you know how you wake up in the morning and you feel like all puffy here and you have to run out, you don't have a lot of time? This works. Take your fingers and you start in the inner corner and you move around the eye. Move like massaging. Move around the eye. Move around. Gently. Move around. And it starts the flow. It adds blood flow and helps to stimulate the lymph flow. Just do it a couple of times. You're not pressing too hard. You're not winging your face. Just depuffs it.
Yeah, so we're back, guys, and we're about to get into Roberta's blush. And the blush of choice today is Satisfy. Another one of my faves. It's very pigmented, guys, so we want to use it sparingly, okay? It's so pigmented, I just used the remainder of the excess blush on the other side. That's it, just one dab. That's all you need. And of course, guys, I'm gonna use the Satisfy, and I'm just gonna swoop it right over her lid. You know, ladies, when you're rushing, you want to be out the door to make it to work and wherever you need to be, this is the way to go. Utilize your makeup and knowing that it's versatile and you can do many things with it. Alright, so I'm about to go in with this highlight, guys, and this highlight is called Millennium, which I love. And it's in a stick. And it just gives me what I want. It's doing very little for you guys see where I'm placing it? Tempo. Alright guys, so I'm going in with the lip liner, and the lip liner of choice is called Rusty. Another one of my favorites. And now I'm about to complete her with some bronzer. Now usually, you know, when people think bronzer, it's like, oh, bronzer all over my face. Like, yeah, in most cases. But then you can also manipulate it by just putting it in specific areas of your face. You understand?
I need to learn.
I will show you. Now, remember how I did your blush, right? And the circle, again, the apple of your cheeks. So with this amazing bronzer, I use it in specific areas of the face, not all over the deal. Okay? These products are so pigmented and it's so rich. So a little goes a long way. So a couple of pearl drops and you're good to go. Remember I said, guys, specific areas. And of course, this is a very specific area for contour, but I'm using it for my bronzer too. Because remember, warmth, contour, you know, color, cut, corrective, right? Same thing. Now I'm going to marry all this together, and Roberta is done. Roberta, you ready to
All right. I can't wait.
have a look at yourself?
Wow. I was so afraid of bronzer and I can't tell it all. It looks so bright. It makes and using the blush on my eyes, it makes them look green bluer. It really makes them pop. Look, this is awesome. I love it. Because this is a look that could go day and night, actually. I would definitely use this. I would do this daytime and I could carry it into nighttime. And something this compact, I'd carry this with me and I'd use it if it's 4 o'clock and then I have to do something at 8 o'clock. I just pull it out, do here, 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 here. Oh, there's so many. I am in New York all the time. The things I see. The other night I saw a man crossing the street with actual moles of hands all over his shirt. There was two, and then he had 2 hands, like prosthetic hands hanging off. And then, like 20 minutes later, down another block, I see a man walking with a desk chair, just crossing the street with a chair. And then he just puts it down and sits. That's the truth. That just happened.
New York is quirky. Do you think the first guy was like a walking art installation? Like, was that supposed to be?
I kind of thought it was because they were actually prosthetic hands and they were attached to his sweater and then he had the tube dangling to the side and I almost took a picture of it, but he was going too fast. I thought maybe he was some abstract artist or something, but it's New York, so